The Istanbul Museum of Modern Art is a museum dedicated to modern and contemporary art located in the Beyoğlu district of Istanbul, Turkey. The museum is housed in a renovated warehouse on the shores of the Bosphorus and has become one of the city's most popular cultural destinations. The Istanbul Museum of Modern Art features a permanent collection of modern and contemporary Turkish art, as well as temporary exhibitions of international artists. The permanent collection includes works by famous Turkish artists such as Brahim Al, Fikret Mualla, and Bedri Rami Bolu, In addition to its exhibitions, the museum also offers a range of educational programs and events, including artist talks, workshops, and film screenings. The museum's location on the Bosphorus also makes it a popular spot for visitors to relax and enjoy the views of the water. The Istanbul Museum of Modern Art is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in modern and contemporary art and provides a unique window into the vibrant art scene in Turkey. In our series of the most must-see places in Istanbul, Hagia Sophia, Topkapi Palace, Sultan Ahmet Mosque, Grand Bazaar, Galata Tower, Istanbul Archaeology Museums, Sirigan Palace, Dolmabahce Palace, Beyoğlu Taksim Square, Bosphorus Bridge and Bosphorus Tour, Emirgan Grove, Istiklal Street, Big Island, Rumeli Fortress, Süleymaniye Mosque, City Lines Ferry Tour, Anatolian Fortress, Miniaturk, Pera Museum, Istanbul Museum of Modern Art. You can get detailed information about. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video so that we can continue our promotional services.